10 foods that naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Are you ready to uncover the natural secrets to detoxify and cleanse your kidneys for better health today? We're going on an eye-opening trip into the world of foods that can naturally rejuvenate your kidneys. Now let's start this transformative quest to supercharge your kidney health and embrace a revitalized life. 1. Blueberries. These little blue gems contain compounds like anthocyanins that help reduce kidney inflammation and promote their detoxification by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Blueberries protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. The high water content in blueberries helps maintain proper hydration, which is crucial for optimal kidney function. The fiber in blueberries aids in regulating blood sugar levels, preventing diabetes-related kidney complications. Eating blueberries regularly can also reduce the risk of kidney stones due to their ability to inhibit the formation of crystals in the urinary tract. These low-sodium berries make them an excellent choice for individuals with hypertension or fluid retention issues. Blueberries are rich in vitamins C and K, manganese and other essential nutrients that support overall kidney health. 2. Lemon water. Rich in vitamin C, lemonade aids in flushing out toxins from the kidneys and promoting optimal kidney function. The citric acid in lemons is highly alkalizing, helping to balance the pH levels in the kidneys and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and assisting in the elimination of waste and harmful substances from the body. This tangy elixir supports the kidneys and helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, due to its antibacterial properties. The high water content in lemon water contributes to proper hydration, ensuring the kidneys have enough fluid to function efficiently. This refreshing drink is an excellent source of antioxidants which combat free radicals and oxidative stress, thereby protecting the kidneys from damage. 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are among the powerhouse greens that support kidney function. These leafy vegetables are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, which helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, and vitamin A, promoting healthy urine flow and preventing kidney stones. They are rich in potassium, a mineral that aids in maintaining proper electrolyte balance and regulates blood pressure. The high fiber content in leafy greens supports kidney health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing the buildup of waste products. Leafy greens also contain chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps remove toxins and heavy metals from the body. These vegetables are low in calories and high in water content, which aids in hydration and promotes healthy kidney function. 4. Garlic. With its distinct pungent aroma and flavor, garlic contains sulfur compounds that play a crucial role in eliminating toxins from the kidneys. These compounds, such as allicin, act as potent antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Furthermore, garlic's detoxifying properties extend to its ability to support healthy blood circulation, ensuring optimal kidney function by improving blood flow. Garlic aids in the efficient removal of waste products and toxins from the kidneys, preventing their accumulation and potential damage. Additionally, garlic exhibits antimicrobial properties, protecting against urinary tract infections that can negatively impact kidney health. Moreover, garlic consumption also helps regulate blood pressure, a significant factor in maintaining kidney function and preventing kidney disease. Lastly, the rich nutritional profile of garlic, including vitamin C and B6, manganese, and selenium, further supports kidney health by nourishing and strengthening the kidneys. 5. Watermelon. The abundance of water in watermelon helps maintain proper hydration, a crucial factor for optimal kidney function. Watermelon acts as a diuretic, promoting urine production and facilitating the flushing out of toxins and waste materials from the kidneys. The diuretic properties of watermelon can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine flow and reducing the concentration of minerals that contribute to stone formation. This delicious fruit is also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C as well as antioxidants which support overall kidney health. The antioxidants present in watermelon help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, which can protect against kidney damage and improve their detoxification capacity. Citrulline is converted into arginine in the body, playing a crucial role in promoting blood flow to the kidneys and supporting their optimal functioning. Improved blood flow to the kidneys aids in the elimination of waste products and toxins, thereby enhancing the detoxification process. 6. Ginger. The active compounds found in ginger such as gingerol and zingerone exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, making it an ideal ally for maintaining kidney function by reducing oxidative stress. Ginger helps protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in reducing inflammation in the kidneys, supporting their optimal performance. Moreover, ginger has been shown to inhibit the formation of kidney stones, a common renal concern. It promotes healthy urine flow and prevents the crystallization of minerals that contribute to stone formation. The diuretic nature of ginger stimulates urine production, which aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, enhancing their detoxification process. Additionally, ginger's warming properties increase blood circulation, promoting kidney health by improving filtration and waste elimination. Furthermore, ginger has been found to have a beneficial impact on kidney-related complications associated with conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces blood pressure, thus alleviating the strain on the kidneys. 7. Turmeric. The key bioactive compound in turmeric is curcumin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties play a crucial role in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are significant contributors to kidney damage and disease. Curcumin's ability to scavenge free radicals and neutralize harmful molecules helps reduce kidney cellular damage and enhances their overall function. Furthermore, curcumin has been found to modulate various signaling pathways that regulate inflammation and immune responses, thereby minimizing kidney tissue damage caused by inflammatory conditions. Research suggests that turmeric may play a role in preventing and managing kidney diseases such as chronic kidney disease, CKD, diabetic nephropathy, and kidney stones. Additionally, turmeric has shown promise in reducing proteinuria, a condition where excessive amounts of protein are excreted in the urine, which is a common sign of kidney dysfunction. 8. Apples. The soluble fiber in apples acts like a sponge, soaking up toxins and waste products and facilitating their elimination through regular bowel movements. This cleansing effect is particularly beneficial for kidney health as it lessens the burden on these vital organs and prevents the risk of kidney stones. Apples' anti-inflammatory properties help reduce oxidative stress within the kidneys, promoting overall renal health. Moreover, the natural sweetness of apples offers a healthy alternative to sugary snacks, supporting weight management and preventing conditions like obesity and diabetes, which can contribute to kidney problems. Lastly, the high water content in apple aids in hydration, enhancing kidney function and promoting the flushing out of toxins through increased urine production. 9. Cabbage. Its high vitamin C content boosts the immune system and supports kidney function. With just 22 calories per cup, cabbage is a low-calorie, high-nutrient food. The sulfur compounds present in cabbage play a significant role in removing toxins from the kidneys. Cabbage contains antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids that combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. Additionally, cabbage is rich in dietary fiber which supports digestion and lowers cholesterol levels, preventing kidney-related complications. Cabbage's anti-inflammatory properties further contribute to overall kidney health by reducing inflammation in the renal system. 10. Avocado. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting overall kidney function. These healthy fats contribute to the prevention of kidney stones by reducing the risk of crystallization in the kidneys. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance. Avocados promote healthy kidney function and prevent kidney strain by ensuring proper fluid balance. This antioxidant activity aids in reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification in the kidneys. Furthermore, avocados contain fiber, which plays a role in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. By reducing cholesterol levels, avocados support kidney health and minimize the risk of developing kidney-related complications. Another noteworthy aspect of avocados is their high content of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Adequate vitamin K intake contributes to healthy kidneys by supporting proper blood clotting in the event of injury or damage. With its combination of healthy fats, potassium, antioxidants, fiber and vitamin K, avocados are a true powerhouse for kidney function and detoxification. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more wholesome content, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated.